Tax hints for online marketers. One of the biggest and most potentially dangerous misconceptions about web marketing is that it is a tax-free marketplace. People go into it believing that since the money they earn comes to them largely through online sources like PayPal, that they don't have to pay taxes on the things that they've generated. It's false. Most importantly, failing to pay taxes on this income can get you into all kinds of trouble. You don't need to worry, though. Internet marketing taxes don't really need to be stressful. Here are some tips and hints that might help you. Set up an appointment with the local small business association. Every community has some type of small business helper organization, usually run through a community college, which has trained professionals available to help you both getting your business starting and ensuring all of your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted. Additionally, this resource is nearly always free. Record just about every little thing. Let me repeat that because it is important. Keep track of each and every detail. This is easy enough to do with Excel. All you need is one spreadsheet that will record all of the money you generate, down to the penny, and another that will keep track of all of the money you shell out, again, down to the penny. Be sure to keep receipts and invoices for all of the money which you fork out. If you have money to afford it, retain the services of an accountant. This would keep you from having to worry about the numbers and the taxes for your online business. You tell your accountant what you've earned and paid out. You can prove this with official records, and they take care of everything else, especially during tax season. Pay towards the taxes you are going to owe throughout the year. A good rule of thumb is to pay 30% of every sale. You can do this every quarter or even every month by making estimated tax payments to the IRS. The IRS is currently set up well enough that they can take estimated tax payments from you anytime you feel like making them. This can keep you from paying out a gut-wrenching amount at the end of the year, which, if you haven't saved up for it, will be particularly stressful. What is even better is that if you have somehow overpaid through your estimated tax payments, you'll receive a refund just like you would if you were working for a traditional employer. It's important to talk to someone at the IRS so that you can get this set up correctly. Learn which tax deductions you are allowed to take. When you run your own business, quite a lot of things, including your utility payments, etc., are tax deductible, as is any money you spend on business equipment or supplies. An accountant or an IRS agent will be able to help you figure out what all you can deduct come tax season. Becoming intimidated by the tax process if you are an online marketer is quite common. The great news is that there are a lot of resources to help you make sure you observe the law and keep a healthy share of the profit you make.